Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset an Echo Dot Generation 3 in Amazon Echo Dot Gen 3. So you've got 4 buttons here, and you've got the volume down, volume up, the mute button, and the action button. In order to reset the Echo Dot Gen 3, what you need to do is hold this down for about 20 seconds. So we're going to do that, and you're going to wait till it turns to an orange ring. So the orange ring indicates that, there we go, that we're starting the reset process.
Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So the first iteration puts it into setup mode, but we want to keep holding on until it tells us that we are resetting all the settings.
Device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay, so you heard there that Alexa says resetting the device. That means that we are in reset mode. You could let your finger off the button right now, but I tend to just hold it on just to make sure that the device is resetting. So for the Echo Gen 3, the Amazon Echo Gen 3, you're gonna hold this button down, the action button, and it takes about a minute for it to reset. You know that it is completely reset and all your information has been deleted when it goes back to the blue ring for setup mode, and it will tell you, hello Alexa, I'm ready to set up now. So there we go. It's starting to go into the blue and purple mode here. So I'm gonna let my finger off the trigger and just let it keep going. So it takes a minute for it to reset, but once you've got that orange ring, it means that it is going into reset mode. And you might want to do this if you are gifting this to someone, you're giving it away, or you're moving and you're leaving this there, or you just want to delete all your information off the Echo Dot. So let's see. It is currently muted. And there we go. We've got the blue ring. That indicates that it is going back to its original settings. So now this could be powered down and you could give this to someone just like a factory reset or out of the box Amazon Echo Gen 3 or an Echo Dot Gen 3. So we hope you enjoyed this video. This is essentially reset and ready to go. I'm just gonna stay here a little bit longer if you guys want to hear the words that it says when it sets up. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to reset your Echo Dot Generation 3, and pretty simple, just hold down that action button. So we'll keep waiting until the blue ring does its thing where it says Alexa is ready to set up. So I'm just gonna stay here now. Really like this Echo Dot Generation 3. It's nice, it's got the fabric on the side. It looks a little bit better than the previous generations. Well, the biggest difference I've noticed is that it's got better speakers than the...
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, there you go. It said your device is ready for setup. So now that is 100% complete. That is the entire reset cycle. You would go to your phone and now you could reset this. Or if you wanted to box it up, you just unplug and give it to somebody else as a gift or whatever you're gonna do with this Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3. Perfectly safe to do so, and your data has now been taken off of this device. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Please like and subscribe to this video in this channel, or click on any of the links below if you wanna learn more. Thank you.